March sales report and best-selling items. For the month of March, I had 85 sales across all stores. This is a 2% increase from the 83 sales I had in February. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 47, Weddings by Rhoadie 16, Homeschool Me 4, Rhodie's Kitchen 11, Alma Africa 4, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 1. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever t-shirt was my best-selling product for March. Once again in second place was my neon trendy 80s leggings. Again in third place was my To a Daughter on Mother's Day greeting card. The rest of my sales consisted of other t-shirts, wrapping paper sheets, tote bags, shot glasses. Customer demographics: 87% US, 13% international. 22 states in all. The top 3 states: California 20%, Massachusetts 13%, Florida 13%. International sales: 4 came from Australia, 2 United Kingdom, Canada 1, France 1, Switzerland 2, Japan 1, Belgium 1. Honorable mentions. These wrapping paper sheets sold for the first time after being in Zazzle's marketplace for 2 years. This t-shirt sold for the first time after being in Zazzle's marketplace for 2 years. Referrals. I had 7 referrals for the month of March, and 5 was from my own product. Takeaways. Don't give up on products that haven't ever sold. This month, I had 2 items that I created 2 years ago and finally had a sale for. I used to delete products that hadn't sold after years on the market, but now I have learned to promote them more, place them in collections, and improve the tags, titles, and description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.